When you receive our outdoor Wi-Fi bridge, generally it has two pieces. One is AP, one is CPE. We will check the packing box, one user manual, two devices, and two belts for installation, and two power adapters. All of them are PoE power adapters, and two power cables. Okay, we can open the product. Yeah. Okay, and another one. Okay, we can power it. Firstly, take out for the power cables and take one of power adapter. This one is PoE and this one is LAN. For the powering, we need to insert the PoE port. Okay, insert. And here has two Ethernet ports. One of them are okay. Okay, we can insert one of them. Yeah, this one is digital tube. Waiting for the boot up and power on another device. PoE and for powering. One of them are okay. And we can use the first one also. We can check. Okay. Waiting for the boot up. And here has 4 small tips. Yeah. Now they are booting up successfully. All of them are 8. Yeah. Generally, all of our outdoor bridge, Wi-Fi bridge has bridged already. We can check here by the numbers. If they are same number, that means they have bridged already. And we can check. Here has one small button. One is left side and another is right side. Okay, I will change the location. This one is sender. Yeah, when the button is left side, it is sender, and when the button is right side, it is receiver. And we can check another part. Okay, here the LED indicators. For now, this one is AP, and we can check the Wi-Fi signal is full, and this is receiver Wi-Fi signal is full also. When you make the long distance installation, we can check the Wi-Fi signal to check the Wi-Fi reception situation, such as if the Wi-Fi signal is more, that means the Wi-Fi is better. But if only 1 or 2, that means the signal is not well, and you can change the direction. Yeah, the two pieces need to face for the very long distance installation. Okay, and sometimes some customers maybe receive the device. The digital tube shows different numbers or digits. We can change it. How can we change it? Please check here. This one reset button. Short press. When we press it short press, it will change the number. Okay. And this one is 9 and this one is 8. We can change it also. Okay, now. Just not because we changed the number, so they lose connection. But later they will automatically make great. Here has 2 points. One point is same number. Another is the buttons, the small buttons. One is left, one is right. The left is sender, the right is receiver. Okay, now they are successfully. When you receive the device, please make them bridge successfully. Then you can installation. When you installation, you can check the Wi-Fi signal to check if the connection correctly or not.